Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. And on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what's there on your side, Librans. What's there on your side? What are the energies on your side, Librans? So on your side we have the Three of Cups. You're wanting a reunion. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Ace of Pentacles. So a new beginning perhaps, stable and committed in a stuck situation maybe. Hangman has popped out. Let's see what is the most likely outcome in this situation. So Six of Wands, so victory, celebrations, happy times. Let's see what it is all about. So let's see, why is this Three of Cups here for? Why is this Three of Cups here on your side, Librans? Leaving the past behind. Cards are really popping out. Why is this Three of Cups here on your side, Librans? Why is this Three of Cups here for? So for the Three of Cups we have the Ten of Swords, the Empress, the Hermit, okay, and the King of Cups, the Knight of Cups, okay. So definitely you are ready to leave the past behind and you want a new beginning with this person. Let's see what is on your person's side. Why is this Ace of Pentacles here for? Let's see, why is this Ace of Pentacles here on your person's side, Librans? Why is this Ace of Pentacles here on your person's side? So for your person's side we have the Page of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, again Three of Cups has shown up, and the Two of Cups, okay. Six of Pentacles, okay. So let's see, why is this Six of Wands here as the most likely outcome in this situation? Why is the Six of Wands here as the most likely outcome? So for the Six of Wands, again we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, the Seven of Wands, the Moon, the Tower, and the Ace of Cups, okay. Yes, the Hangman flipped out, now the Nine of Wands has already come up. So Librans, I think there is some good news here for you as far as I see on the surface. Let's start reading. So for the Three of Cups, what I feel is you want a reunion with this person. You are really missing this person. You're missing the times which you spend. You're missing the times you've partied and been happy with this person at some point in time. With the Ten of Swords, what I feel is, so for that we have the Ten of Swords, the Empress, the Hermit, the King of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. So what I feel here is definitely you really have a lot of the love for this person. You really have a lot of love for this person. You really want to reunite with this person. You want a reconciliation. You want a new beginning with this person. And with the Ten of Swords, whatever it was which had troubled you, whatever it was which was hitting you, whatever it was which had knocked down this relationship, you are ready to leave it behind. You are ready for a new beginning. Whatever it was, it was at its worst. Whatever has happened was at its worst. It really like hit the ground, and now the thing is you are ready to get back up, have a new beginning, breathe the fresh air, and you are ready to have a new beginning. Okay, so you are ready to leave the past behind, and it's like, I'm done with it. Whatever it was, leave it behind. let's move ahead. That's something like that. With the Empress, what Empress and the Hermit, what I feel here is, maybe you've thought about this situation since a long time. You have really analyzed the situation, you have really tuned it to your inner voice and just found out, okay, what do you actually want in this relationship. So whatever it was, you are ready to leave it behind. You really want to work through this relationship. You really have a lot of emotions. Perhaps you were not showing those emotions at some point in time, you were controlling them. It can be that also. But with the Knight of Cups, now you are ready to open up. You are now ready to offer this love and open the communication, or open up emotionally. Okay, and now after analyzing the situation and listening to the inner voice, maybe after having a break for for some time at least, that's what I feel. You have really listened to. It's like, once you are away from the situation, you just try to analyze and listen to your inner voice. And once you're away from the situation, you then miss the person and then realize that, no, I really feel for them, and I really want to have a new beginning with them. It's something like that. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So with the Ace of Pentacles, we have the Page of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, Two of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that this person feels that this person does want to sort out the things. This person is also ready for restoring the balance. This person also at some point in time wants a reunion with you. They also miss those happy times. They also view you as a balanced counterpart or something like that, a balanced relationship, a perfect relationship. But as for now, for some point in time, they feel that you are some unattainable, and it's like you are above them, and they are not sure they'll be able to have you or not. It's something like that. Even though they have a lot of emotions, but they really don't feel that they can catch you or they can get you, type of a feeling. So that is why maybe they're just focusing on themselves. Yes, they do want, deep within, they do view you as their soulmate, and they view this connection as a beautiful connection. They are also, I think, if you show up, maybe then, but I really don't see they are taking the first step. Okay, if you show up, then maybe you will be able to sort things out, because this person feels that they have to some extent lost you, or uh, they may not get you, something like that. Not in, lost you not in a negative way, but yes, it's like, I can't get it. It's just not possible, and so let it be, type of a thing. It's something like that. And as far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Six of Wands, so victory and celebrations. So for that, we have the Ace of Pentacles, definitely a new beginning. And we have the Five of Cups, the Seven of Wands, Moon, the Tower, the Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. So what I feel here is that there is a new beginning definitely in the situation, because somebody here is upset. Maybe you yourself are upset, and somebody here is ready to give up the resistance. They want peace, and maybe now, they, after being detached, they have understood that, no, this person is also ready to give up the resistance. They also want peace in the situation, and maybe the path ahead is really not very clear. They really don't know what to do. But with the Hermit and the Moon, what I feel is, even if you are since not taking the first time, even if they really don't know, if they make a move, what will happen, even in that situation, even if there is a lack of clarity, what I feel is that since this person is wanting peace, and this person is also ready to give up the struggle, and they are really using their intuition. And one more thing which I am getting here is, see, what I feel here is that it can be an unexpected, you really don't know what's going on their side, perhaps because this person is not showing their emotions. Okay, so even if that lack of clarity is there, I think you will make an unexpected move, which is unexpected for them. It's, you have thought about it, but they are not expecting it, so it comes out as unexpected, as a mutual energy. So with the Tower, the Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Wands, what I feel is that even if you really don't know what the outcome will be, you will make a move, and that is very unexpected for them. That's what I feel, and this is something which they've been waiting for since a long time. Okay, so they've been waiting for you to open up, or this to happen, whatever it is. They really wanted you to open up. They really wanted a new beginning. They really wanted you all this while. But at that time, perhaps you didn't commit. It can be as simple as that. And now since they are focusing on themselves, they have understood that okay, I really can't get this person, so leave it. And now they are closed off. But even if energetically or deep within they still view you in the same way, but they have realized that there is no point, I really can't do much about it, so they've left it. But once you make a move, I think they will give you a positive response. And this can be an unexpected thing for them, but yes, energetically they are waiting for it since a long time. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Treasure your loved ones. Wow. Number 10 may be of some significance for you. Treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. So maybe this is the bond which they have now realized. It is an unconditional bond like that of a mother and a child. So this is unconditional love. So maybe now they have realized that they have unconditional love for you, and maybe that is what is making them move towards you, even if they really don't know what will be the consequence and will you accept them or not. And but what I feel here is that yes, the other person is also energetically waiting for things to be okay. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.